I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity and believing in me that I would be able to contribute in terms of giving some learning. Although I'm not a trainer, I don't have that much of capability that I can train anybody. But to begin with, this is just a session of having a conversation, the ideas, the learning which I have learned in my past career, or whatever I have with me, I will be able to contribute to any of my colleagues. I chose the topic is ways to be happy at workplace, which was very difficult for selecting a topic for me. But then I thought let's select something which everybody can participate and contribute how they can be happy at the workplace. It is very difficult for each and everyone to be practical about it because बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि यार मेरा काम अच्छा नहीं है या मुझे जम नहीं रहा है या दे फील मोनोटोनस अबाउट इट क्या है रोज रोज वही है कुछ हैपनिंग नहीं हो रहा है प्रेमाइसिस में मजा नहीं आ रहा है तो इट्स आवर चॉइस हाउ वी कैन स्टे हैप्पी एट द वर्क प्लेस कैन दिस बी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक अबाउट योर एफर्ट्स फाइंड कोवर्कर्स यू लाइक एंड एंजॉय एंड स्पेंड योर टाइम विद देम find workers obviously like me be optimistic about your efforts is we all are putting down the efforts. I would like to mention when it comes to MS services from an onboarding guy from the operation from the sales of everybody is putting down the efforts. So it's a cycle, it's all together a cycle. When we sell, the very first thing the onboarding team comes into a picture. They are putting down all their efforts by taking care of the employees, joining formalities and everything. So this also comes into all the effort. Do something you love every single day. You may or may not like you are doing every day, but there is always something you might like. You just need to find the aspect. As I said, रोज 9 से 6 या 10 से 7 का जो टाइम है ऐसा लगता है कि यार सेम रूटीन हो रहा है सब कुछ हो रहा है कुछ मजा नहीं आ रहा है बट देयर इज समथिंग व्हिच यू लाइक हेंस यू आर कमिंग टू ऑफिस एवरी डे टू वर्क ऑन इट so you have to figure out that what is that which I like. For example, an onboarding person which may like to get into operational knowledge about it. मेरे को Excel नहीं आता है मेरे को तो खाली applications और joining communities करने के लिए आता है. A retail guy who is into this project head can obviously share the knowledge about it, how they have carried all the things together. Reflect upon yourself, your skills and interests. Find something that you can enjoy every single day. Everybody has a skill, hence they are here. हर एक के पास अपना अपना कुछ ना कुछ स्किल है उसको हमें रिफ्लेक्ट करना पड़ता है कभी कभी और ध्यान देना पड़ता है कि मेरा इंटरेस्ट किस में है. Everybody is skillful, hence we have cleared the interviews, we have passed on the rounds and everything, and then we are here. Management or the HR team has seen something in each and every individual, right? And you have passed that round and hence you are here. You have to reflect upon it. Keep your focus on every single day that how you have been here. This will help you love your current job and enjoy it. Then be a part of communication. Try to be approachable. Like if somebody wants any help or need any suggestions, any ideas, so we have to be approachable that I am open to share the knowledge, I am here to help you around. People like to be in company of a person who is easily approachable. For example, कोई बैठा है ऐसे ही या फिर talk very less, that's not be actually a bad thing about it, but लगता है कि यार इसको पूछूं भी या नहीं भी पूछूं, whether he will be approach, he will help me or not. So this is something important that we have to be approachable. So it begins from an individual first. Seek out the information which you require to function effectively in your current role. As I said, you have to be in the conversation with your colleagues, with your boss on daily basis, which will help you to function effectively. Seek feedback from co-workers and seniors at the same time. Be proactive in sharing the feedback as and when required. And make commitments you can keep. Don't overcommit as failing of the commitment can give you stress and may result in adverse consequences. Anybody has anything to say about it?
This is applicable in your personal space as well as your professional life as well.
Professional. Assess your ability to complete a given task. try to volunteer if you have a time. I mean, if anything, if given a task from the team, try to volunteer it, because yes, taking an initiative, like I took an initiative from West region to do this QLS. If workload is exceeding your time and energy, be proactive in asking for help and resources from your boss.
Very important.
Time to know the people around you. This is important. Make friends at work. ऑफिस आने का दिल कर जाएगा कि आज जाएंगे, थोड़ा टाइम पास भी हो जाएगा, मस्ती भी हो जाएगी, काम भी हो जाएगा. Network with the people you share same interest with, like business development, networking with each and every, मतलब from each and every region. तुम्हारा कैसे चल रहा है, कैसे कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहा है. Help them out when they are in need. They will help you when you need them. This will create positive environment and will enhance happy work experience. Agree?
फीडबैक होनी चाहिए, should be based on values, not based on common interest. क्योंकि शादी में भी यही है, common values का relationship होता है ना, that will really last. Common interest पे होता है, then probability dies down after a certain point in time. Try to find at least common values, common inner words, common, you know.
Yeah, very valid.
Yes, sir.
Very valid point.
Yes.
Thank you, Sagar.
Most welcome.
Thank you for doing live, sir. We will.
That's a thin line in
Yes.
that. Or I कुछ like.
No, I think then I was given at least a half an hour of session. Try to conclude it in it, and very much of time. So yes, thank you. Dhanyawad, shukriya. Anybody has anything to say from Pan India team? And I hope this was you learned something. Good job, good job.
Good job.